So just we will see chronic diseases. Okay, as per the sixth edition of Organon 50 millisiemel scale. Okay, that we have discussed. These 50 millisiemel scales are like very high doses. Okay, so recent chronic diseases, section 282. In chronic diseases, these primary manifestations, SORA, psychosis or syphilis. Okay, SORA, syphilis, psychosis, their first continuous manifestations are present without any history of suppression in that cases. Any may advise to use the indicated medicine in large doses and repeated doses. This is the only uh, exception from the administration of minimum doses. If we administer minimum doses in a primary SORA, syphilis, and psychosis, the disease will not cure, rather progress. Okay, that amount of the doses. Okay, if dose will be less. Okay, in cases of like SORA, psychosis, syphilis is there. So about that, you just know that these three terms are there. Miasm. Okay, miasm is there. SORA, psychosis, syphilis is there. Okay, and later on you will understand how for SORA in cases of SORA, what dose should be given? In cases of psychosis, what dose should be given? And in cases of syphilis, what doses should be given? Okay. As for example, for SORA, recently developed eruptions and vesicles, burnings and itchings are there. Itchings are there. As for example, for syphilis, SORA, just remember it, it is just like a functional changes are there. Okay, functions are changed. Okay, then in cases of syphilis, untreated primary cankers are there. For psychosis, condylomata is there. Okay, all these things are just skin diseases. Okay, so these located diseases and non-local do not only tolerate but demands immediate administration of the large doses, large tablespoons of even the repeated daily doses. Okay, so these doses also depends upon the ascent repetitions. Okay, the how is the nature of the disease. Okay, it may be miasm, SORA, or psychosis, or syphilis. According to that, the disease may doses may change. Okay, just next part we will see old chronic diseases. In diseases where correctly selected homeopathic medicine is there,
पुल पे चढ़ना पड़ेगा, पुल पे चढ़ने के लिए आपको इधर राइट लेना पड़ेगा, फिर वहां पुल पे चढ़ना पड़ेगा। बहुत बकचोदियां। राइट लेके चल ले। हाँ, चढ़ लीजिए। सेफ ड्राइविंग रूट साइड चढ़ लोगे। हां, रॉन्ग साइड। इधर से आते हैं, उस साइड से चढ़ो। हां, उस साइड से।
हेलो, if anybody is outside, please leave. Okay, because you will disturb others. Okay, otherwise you keep yourself in silent mode. Okay, old chronic diseases are there. Okay, long duration may be repeated daily for the month with increasing success. If the solution is used up 7 to 15 days, it is necessary to head to the next solution of the same medicine. If still indicated, one or several globules of a higher potency, thus higher and higher potencies of the medicine may be continued so long as the patient experience continued improvement without encountering one or another complaint that is that he never has before in the life. Okay, so if sometimes if your dose is not correct, okay, and it is long chronic disease, okay, so at that time it is a problem. Sometimes you are not getting the particular symptom also. Okay, so that is the thing. If new symptoms appear, this another homeopathic related medicines must be chosen. Okay, then homeopathic aggravation. Okay, this term you have to know just. Okay, at first year level, this much only know. Okay, this is the homeopathic aggravation means homeopathic uh, reactions are there. Okay, may occur towards the end of the treatment of the chronic diseases. In that cases, these doses must be reduced still further and repeated in longer intervals and possibly stopped several days in order to observe in the conventional needed to not further medicinal aids. The apparent symptoms for real symptoms caused by the excess of the homeopathic medicines will disappear and leave undisturbed health in the wake. Next is the nature of the remedy. Okay, what is the nature of the remedy, or how which type of remedy you are using. Okay, I already told, if you are using nosode, you have to give it in a very high potency. Okay, now you will not understand, just you will write it, but when you will actually practice, at that time you will understand the things. Okay, when any nosode is there, you have to give in very high potency. The repetition of the remedy depends upon the nature of the remedy. Okay, which type of remedy you are using. Okay, then next part is the potency. Okay, potency is there. The potency. Next is the medicines in low potency, frequent repetition. Already we have discussed, if frequent repetition is there, remedy should be in low potency. Okay, medicine in higher potency, not frequent repetition. Medicine should not be repeated frequently. Duration of the action. Okay, deep acting remedies, medicines obtained from elements, compounds. Okay, then inorganic and the organic minerals and nosodes have long duration of action and hence repeated less frequently. Okay, means that the repetition is very less frequently. Short acting remedies, medicines obtained. Short acting means they just act for very short time, short period of time. Okay, that is called as a short acting remedy. Okay, reality about the acting of remedy you will study in Materia Medica later on in the Boric Materia Medica. You will get expected time of work. Okay, like if you are given this potency of medicine, how much time it will work. Okay, so next we will see deep acting remedy, medicines obtained from the element, compound, inorganic and organic minerals and the nosodes have long duration of action and hence repeated less frequently. Short acting remedy, medicines obtained from the vegetable and mineral sources have short duration of the actions and hence their repetition has been more frequent. Okay, means short acting remedies like which are from vegetable kingdom. Okay, actually this part is important. Okay, for your practice, this part. Okay, this page number 405. Okay, it's very, means it will give you a little guideline, but still in book of Materia Medica, when you will study Materia Medica, you will find some exceptions are there. Okay, sometimes it is from vegetable kingdom, but you are giving in high potency. Okay, so like that. Okay, so medicines that is obtained from vegetable animal kingdom have short duration of action and hence their repetition has been more frequent. Okay, so next is the medicines having alternate action. Okay, in aphorism number 251, fifth edition of Organon, it is given. Okay, the next is there are some medicines which produces two opposite state alternating with each other in the human health. These alternating opposite states are produced by the primary action of the medicine. The action of the producing two opposite states in the primary actions and medicine is termed as the alternate action of the medicine. Okay, like Ignatia is there, Bryonia, Aristox is there. Okay, sometimes Belladonna is there. If further prescribing produces selected medicines on the strict homeopathic principles. Some medicines prescribed in most of the cases, the improvement after the second doses of the same medicines, the second doses may even be administered within a few hours and the administration of a few doses in the acute diseases. Next is the Kent's instructions about the repetition of doses. What Dr. Kent has told. Okay, so at first year level, it is not so much important. Okay, in second year, you will study about that the Kent's 12th observation and his views about the repetition of those. Okay. J.T. Kent has given a clear instructions about the rules and repetition of the second repetition. The first medicine should be repeated, then improvement remains standstill. When the original symptoms returns after a temporary appearance have to some general and particular or frequently. Okay, Kent 11th observation. Okay, all these things are not so much important for you. Okay, just this Kent's observation, as previously organon of medicine is in first year. Okay, and there was a like a little more syllabus was there. Okay, so at that time you can coordinate and correlations were there. Okay. Then next is the single medicine. Okay, what is the single medicine? Okay, single medicine, sometimes you will get short note what is single medicine. Hahnemann was against mixing of two or more medicine. Okay, even nowadays any system of medicine, they are not so much in support of mixing of medicines. Okay, but this is the pharma companies. Okay, they are in favor of that because they want to sell a number of medicines. Okay, and they just want to money. Okay, I told you earlier also. Okay, medical science as a philosophy or medical science as a practice is different, and medical science as a pharmaceutical company is very different. Okay, Hahnemann was against mixing of two or more medicine at a two as only the most similar the simillimum is needed in homeopathy. Hahnemann clearly states that the appearance of single medicines or time in organic section 272 to 273. Okay. The next is the Hahnemann clearly states about the applications of single medicines or time or organon section 272, 73 and 74. Okay. Then next is the section 72, what he has said, in no cases requisite administration that one single simple medicines at a time. Then section 73, he has said it was not a constant that the nature and them are more rational to prescribe single simple medicines. Then section 274, he has told to true physician enables to cure natural disease safely and permanently. Okay, so like that in different aphorism he has given. Okay, and it will be more useful for you when you will reach third year. Okay, each aphorism you have to explain. Okay, in organon it will be useful for you. Section 272 footnote 1, some physicians have tried plain and administering two medicine at a time. Okay, then reason for applying only single medicine at a time. Okay, very simple reasons are there. Like homeopathic medicine, if you are just prescribing a single dose, you can actually understand the action of that particular medicine. Okay, so homeopathic medicines were proven singly, and the materia medica was built up in a observed and effect of drug gives single either the plant proving or a accidental proving. Okay, single dose was given. Okay, so if you will mix up, how will you get the result? Okay, and suppose okay accidentally you will get the result, how will you know which medicine has acted? Okay, the action of the single medicine in certain, but in the mixing there is a uncertain. The homeopathic medicine is administered single so that the action is complete and um, unmodified by other drugs. If more than one medicine is used, then different from the physician, the certain which symptoms are removed or which like mixing of symptom may be there. Okay, so all these things are there. In a quite impossible for the physician to select a medicine or second prescription. Okay, second prescription, about second prescription you will understand or you will study more in organon. Okay, second prescription is like when you are just one patient came to you first time. Okay, and after that what will happen, you have just prescribed a medicine to your patient for 7 days. Okay, now patient came to you. Okay, and now he is telling I am feeling little better. Okay, now it is a big issue what to do. One is just give nothing, placebo, because already patient is improving. Give same medicine in higher dose. Okay, second. Third, give other medicine who is complementary or supplementary to first medicine. Okay, all these things are okay. so called as a second dose. Okay, so how to give the second dose? Okay, because giving second dose is a challenge. Okay, in any system of medicine, it is a challenge. Okay, how you will, because already you are expecting, you are like hopeful your case is on a right path. Okay, right way, your case is going on. Okay, and suppose if anything you will do wrong, your case may be spoiled. Okay, so that is the big problem. Okay, that's why it is always told that second prescription is a difficult prescription. Okay, then about second prescription, you will study in organ of medicine. Okay, sometimes you will get long question in organ of medicine. What is second prescription? Okay, the application of polypharmacy of prolonged period in a patient ultimately with the develops heterogenic diseases and artificial chronic diseases or drug diseases. Okay, if polypharmacy you are doing, which drug is acting right, which drug is acting wrong, if both the drugs may react together and they will form some complex new symptom, many problems are there. Okay, in homeopathic cure text, that's why nobody is like in support of polypharmacy except pharma company. Okay, because they have to sell the medicine a lot. Okay, in homeopathy cure takes place by secondary curative actions due to the reaction of the vital force. But if the physician gives more than one medicine at a time, the vital force cannot react in a 3 or 4 different ways, so cure is not possible. Okay, means you can just tell a confusion, creation of confusion is there if you are giving more than one medicine. Okay, the next point is there, we select the homeopathic medicine capable of effective cure, but administration of a few more or less simple medicine will only palliate some of the symptoms, never cure the patient as a whole. Okay, prolonged palliation in such cases usually develops suppression of the symptom. Okay, next is the comparison of symptom of a single medicines is easy done and observed. Each medicines have its symptoms and individuality. Okay, then next is the administration of several medicines at a time. Again, it will create a confusion. Then polypharmacy means that thing. Okay, polypharmacy means just prescribing a multiple medicine at a time. Nowadays all the doctors are doing same thing. Okay, just to impress or just to means help pharma companies, so that nowadays you have seen. Okay, now actually government is against this, and government is had made many rules regarding these also. Okay, like just you are prescribing some medicine and you will be like lucky draw, you are getting some trip. Okay, you are getting some gift. Okay, so just taking of gift from pharma company by the doctors is totally okay, totally banned. Okay, but still things are going on. Okay, means next is the, in homeopathy, single medicine is administered or a minimum doses by effect cure by poly prescription. Large doses are usually give, which may be develop harmful effect. Okay, so that is again a problem, because each medicine you have not done a research key. I will mix this Nux vomica calendula. I will mix this medicine. I will get something. Okay, so every medicine when they are just with together, they are not selected. Okay, the scientific data on drug actions are essential. Of the curative drug actions can be determined only when the medicine is administered singly. The next is the alternate or rational of the remedies in repetition, since in lead away from the accurate and definite knowledge of the drug effects, and sooner or later to polypharmacy, which is the most solvently of all the practices. Then since we have not proven of combination of the drugs, okay, that is the important. Okay, if we have not proven the combination of drugs, just now I told you, it will be impossible to prescribe this with scientific accuracy. Okay, we have not done drug proving of multiple medicine. Okay, just we are mixing the medicine. Okay, still some pharma company, they are just producing some mixing drugs in market, in pharmacy shops you will see. Okay, mixing drug, and they are just telling ki, they already have done this proper this already they have done this research. Okay, and drug proving they have done, they got result, they have submitted all the document to government, and after government's approval we are just selling this particular combination drugs. Okay, like that. Okay, so these things are different, but Dr. Hahnemann was always in support of single medicine. Okay, so like that. And most of the good homeopaths, okay, who are prescribing well and who have who are very well known homeopaths, okay, they always believe in prescription of drug in the single simple medicine as per classical homeopathy or as per Hahnemannian law of prescription. Okay. Till here, any doubt, anything you want to ask? Hello. Hello.
No, sir.
No doubt. Now, okay, so go through this chapter. Okay, just see properly. If anything you are not understanding, you can ask me. Okay, but again, I am telling this chapter is important. Okay, as per theory also and as per Viva also. Okay, so just be careful about this chapter. Okay.